Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Bullseye Pro tire inflator. So it's pretty simple to use. Just make sure that it's charged. So you can charge it via the DC outlet in your car, which is included, or you can charge it via a Type-C cable, which is also included as well. So both of those insert on the back of the charger right over here. Now, once it's charged, you're going to go ahead and unscrew your tire. So go ahead and find the pressure outlet or inlet, I should say. And then you're going to use this portion to go ahead and clamp onto the tire. So just make sure that's secure. And then afterwards, you're going to go and turn it on. So in order to turn it on, you're just going to press and hold the power button here. So if you press and hold it, it'll turn it on. And then you're going to see a number that starts to blink. So if you see a blinking PSI, that is your target PSI pressure. If you see a solid PSI number, that is your current tire pressure. So you can use the plus and minus buttons to go ahead and adjust the target PSI. So for my vehicle, the recommended PSI is at 30. So it's blinking 30 and it's at a solid 23. So now once it's at a solid 23, you're going to go ahead and press the trigger button and you're going to press it twice. So now it should take about, I'd say 3 minutes or so to go ahead and inflate to 30 PSI. And once it hits that target pressure of 30 PSI, it should automatically go ahead and turn off. So right now it's at 26. Right now it's at 27. With the Bullseye Pro tire inflator, it also includes a carrying case. And in my case, I probably just plan on charging it via Type-C cable, but it could be stored in your car as well, just in case of an emergency. So right now it's at 29 PSI. And there you go. It's now hit the target PSI and you can see that the battery is located on top. So the actual digital battery will go down as you use it, but then it's going to like rebound back up. And for some reason that's normal, but once it's done, you're just going to go ahead and unlatch this, and then to turn it off, just press and hold the power button and you should see the screen turn off. But that right there is how to go ahead and use the Bullseye Pro tire inflator. If you guys have any questions, let me know, but really great tire inflator. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. And if you want to go ahead and grab one for yourself down below,